Hi, this is Mary Taylor with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair, and I'm going to bring you a little short video on how to dispute items on your credit report that actually belongs to you. When you're disputing items on your credit report, you're not disputing them because they don't belong to you, or it's not yours, or isn't true. You're disputing whether the account is accurate, whether all the information is complete for that particular account. You're disputing whether it's a timely account. You're disputing outdated information on that account. You're disputing whether the account is verified. Now, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is a law designed to protect consumers, states that all items on your credit report, ranging from your personal information to inquiries to negative accounts to everything on your credit report, must be 100% accurate. This is Mary Taylor with Better Day Consulting. If you want your credit fixed, put Mary Taylor in the mix. Creditconsult.betterdayconsulting.com is where you can get a free consult. Thank you. Bye-bye.